Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. It's Monday morning. Hopefully you guys caught the video from yesterday. We got the 48 actually driving. It does fantastic. I'll tag that video in the end of this one so you guys can see it. Today we are just continuing on with the 60 hearse. We're going to be cleaning up the rear end, getting grease and things like that off, and hopefully starting on the rear brakes today. We'll see how far we get. Thanks for joining the channel. Let's get started.
Big shocks off?
Yeah, I guess if I can. Wow. There we go.
Shocks are a little short.
Yeah.
Yeah, it gives us more room to clean.
I know, right? So we've got the rear end all cleaned and scraped. Of course, my dad did the majority of that. I've slipped off a few times and smacked my hands on the frame, trying to get the shocks off and things like that. So I'm not having too much fun today. I have battle wounds to show it. But anyway, got this all sprayed down. Gonna let it soak for a few minutes, typical, just like what we did with the firewall up there. And then spray it down here in a little bit. And then as soon as all this is cleaned, we're gonna paint a little bit, just like we did in the front. And we'll get our gas tank going here soon. So anyway, just little bits and pieces of progress. Sorry guys, I know it's a little dark and shadowy out here now, but this is our finished product. All nice and painted. I can get some better pictures tomorrow. It's about 8 o'clock Monday night. But yeah, that was the goal today. We didn't really get started on the back brakes, but at least now we are ready to bend up the lines, attach those. So yeah, it looks really, really nice. I'm very pleased. And it's clean. So there we go. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a very blessed week ahead of you.